Namaste everyone. Welcome to today yoga class. Starting with centralizing the breath. Sit tall, spine straight. Hands resting on the knees, shoulders relaxed, away from ears. Close your eyes. Soft your face. Have a gentle smile on your face. 3 deep inhale and even longer exhale. Make Gyan Mudra in both the hands. Let's begin the class with one Om chant. Inhale. Join your hands in Pranam Mudra in front of your chest. Bow your head down. Let's set an intention for today's yoga class. We will try our best to be with our breath and on the mat during the session. Very gently rub your palms, apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you very slowly. Welcome to the session, starting with neck rolls today. So on exhale, chin to chest. On inhale, take the head back. We will do it 5 times. Let's do it. Exhale. You can close your eyes and be with the movement of your neck. Inhale, go back. Exhale. Inhale. Take your lower body at one place. Exhale. Inhale. It's like your only neck is moving, nothing else. Last 2. Last 1. And come to the center. Now on exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Inhale to center and exhale to left ear, touching the left shoulder. Don't move your shoulder up. Take your ear to the shoulder and stretch entire opposite side of the neck. Keep moving with your breath. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay, next movement is take your head back and look back above your right shoulder, and breath will be on inhale. We will go back. Exhale to center and inhale to turn your head to the left side. This is 1. Try not to move your lower body. Keep your shoulder at one place. Inhale back. Exhale to center and inhale back other side. 3. 4. Whole focus on the movement of your neck. 5. Come to the center. And next will be neck circles. 4. Just check the instructions. On exhale, chin to chest. On inhale, take it back from the right side, and on exhale, bring it front from the left side. So this is the movement. We will move 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. But once we are done with clockwise 3 rounds, we will take the neck up and again go down. Inhale back from the left, exhale front from the right. Okay, let's do it together. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, take it back from the right side, and while exhaling, bring it to the front from the left side. 1, 2, 3. Head up, again chin to chest, and let's move anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Come up. Very nice. And next will be shoulder rolls. So inhale, take your shoulder front and up. On exhale, back and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and anti-clockwise, I mean reverse direction, back to front. So inhale, back, up, front and down. Inhale, back, up, front and down. Make a nice O with your shoulders. 2, 3, 4, 5. One left. 6. And now shoulder shrugs. Inhale, shrug your shoulders, hold here 1 second. Exhale through mouth and release. 6 times, 1 is done. Hold, release. 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. Both the hands to the front and make a fist. 1, open. Fully open on inhale. Exhale, inhale. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now make a fifth and rotate outward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inward. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Now both the hands to the sides. Keep your fingers pointing upward towards the ceiling and elbows straight. Okay, and we will make a circle, not very big circle, small circle, but continue and flow front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back to front. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Yeah, I know it creates sensation in the shoulders. So, from here, now take your right hand, take it front to back. 1. Bring it back to the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left hand front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right hand but back to front. Take it back. Rotate it around the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. And now from here, I am sitting in Ardha Sukhasana in cross-legged posture, and I will try to touch my right shoulder to the left knee and left shoulder to the right knee. When shoulder will be touched to the knee, it will be exhale. When you crunch your abdominal muscles, you exhale, and when you expand your abdominal muscles, you inhale. That's the logic behind breath. Okay, so let's do it. Exhale, take your right ear to right shoulder. Inhale up, exhale other side. We are trying to cover every joint and every body part of the body, but in a gentle way. 2, if you can't go down and able to touch your shoulder to the knee, it's totally fine. Just be with yourself, with your breath. Last 3, last 2, and last 1. Come to the center. And next will be, butterfly. Join your both the feet together. Hold your toes, spine straight, shoulders away from ears, chest out, and flip your knees. We will do butterfly for next 1 minute. Focus should be on the base of your spine, and breath should be little deeper than the normal. Just be consistent with the movement of your knees. Okay, very gently release. And now from here, only 3 times, take your both the knees together, Pavan Muktasana. Okay, and again take them back. 1, 2, 3. Take it back, and now come to one side of the mat. Extend your legs in front of you, and we will start the lower body joint movement, starting from these tiny toes. So on exhale, squint your toes. Okay, on inhale, expand them. Ensure it's not movement of ankle, it's not movement of any other joint, only your fingers. Okay, toes of your feet. So hands can be on the back so that you can fit relaxed. Exhale, inhale. Be with the movement of your toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, inhale. Left 3, left 2, left 1. Great. Come to the normal position. Now on inhale, expand your toes. Take them away from your body. On exhale, bring them towards your face. Stretch it properly. There will be stretch on entire lower side of the leg. Okay. So let's do it 10 times. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale. Left 2, 1. Very good. Now expand your toes, take them away and make circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will lubricate your ankle joints. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other direction, reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. If you need, you can shake the legs. Okay. Now bend your right knee, hold your right thigh, interlock your fingers and pull it towards your chest. Other leg will be keep pressing on the mat. Toe will be pointed. Inhale, straight your leg, exhale down. 1, 2, inhale up, exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I want you to go up and hold. Okay, straight your leg, knee straight, toe pointed, hold here. Gaze towards the big toe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Try your spine should be straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Other side. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go up and hold. 10, 9, spine straight. 8, 7, 6, 5, no bend in the knee. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. And now next will be circles. Again you can shake the legs if it is required. And now right side, hold in the same way, okay? And we will make circles with our big toe. It's like you're drawing a circle in front of you, and circle should be big. Try to move with your front leg only and keep it fixed as maximum as you can, okay? Keep it fixed and move. 1, 2, outward direction it is, okay? And be flow. 3, 4, 5, 6. It will work on your knee joints, your ligament and other things here. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. All the tendons, ligaments and so many, tiny mechanism in the knee joint will be lubricated, and definitely a wonderful movement for your knee joint. Okay, now reverse direction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release left leg. Again, take it up and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. And now from here we will move for Paschimottanasana, one of the best asanas for stress relieving. So surrender yourself. Inhale, both arms up. On exhale, hold your big toes. Okay, make a hook like this with your first 2 fingers and thumbs and hold your big toe. Other option is, if you can't reach your toes, it's totally fine if you can reach your shins only. Okay, and once you are here, inhale, straight your spine, look up. On exhale, go down. Stay here, 8 breath. Be with your breath. Don't force, just be here. Let your breath flow. Okay, very gently make your arrival back. Come up. Very nice. And now from here I want you to relax in child pose. Okay, come to your Vajrasana. Okay, take your knees away from each other and move front. You can have a pillow under your forehead maybe if you need so. Otherwise, just relax here. Another 8 breath. Be with your breath. Very gently make your arrival back and come to seated posture. We will close the session with 3 Brahmari and 1 Om chant. So cover your eyes gently with the fingers. Plug in your ears with the thumbs and produce hum sound on your own 3 times. Inhale. Release. Make Gyan Mudra in both the hands. Keep your eyes closed. Let's chant 1 Om to end the session. Inhale. Join your hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Be thankful to yourself for today's yoga session. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat and fulfillment of all the intentions set at the beginning of the class. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you. Namaste everyone. See you tomorrow.